I'm a traveling spirit, I've seen many shores, from the West Pacific to the island of Kenya. They treat me like a son anywhere I go, and even though no one can tell, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to clean my car. I actually did it a couple of days ago, and I did it with both of my toddlers. So they are not home today, so I'm just shooting the intro, but my car was a mess. It was so disgusting that I thought, okay, no matter how difficult it is to clean with toddlers, I have to do it. So I'm going to share that with you, but just a disclaimer, it is real messy and disgusting, and I would say it's a real mummy's car, and I hope you can relate to it, and let's just jump into it. So guys, this is truly a mom's car, messy and disgusting. I hope I'm not the only one with such a messy car. There's food everywhere, literally everywhere. Please don't judge. I'm only being honest and real here. We have everything on the floor. We have pistachio shells, Cheetos, Mamra or rice puffs, kakra, Pringles, and whatnot. We also have heaps of dry flowers and sticks because my 19 months old, he apparently loves playing with them. So this is the boot of my car. I took out the pram as we needed to fix it. Otherwise, the pram also sits in the boot always. There's paper, shoes, hair ties, plastic containers apart from the drop food. We literally live in here. So I'm emptying the boot first. I want to clean it and make my kids sit here with some toys so that they do not disturb me while I'm vacuuming inside the car. I have built up their excitement by telling them we are on a picnic here. So you can play in the boot with all your toys.
I'm not a knight in shining armor, and I'm sure as hell not a savior when you need me to be. I'm not that flare of light you see when it gets dark. I'm not a knight in shining armor, and I'm
My main challenge today is not only cleaning the car but cleaning it with my two toddlers around. I have well fed them, and now I need to keep them entertained while cleaning this car before they get hungry or sleepy and start their meltdown cry. While they're enjoying, let me quickly clean the floors and start vacuuming. Even if I get only vacuuming done, I think it will be a huge accomplishment because the car is so dirty. Vacuuming is going to take a very long time. But doing it with two toddlers, it's going to be a big achievement, even if I can get only one thing done today.
not a savior when you need me to be. I'm not that flare of light you see when it gets dark. I can climb no mountains for you, my love. I can climb no mountains or swim in cold water. No, I can't find you. I've been looking everywhere, don't know what to do.
My husband always tells me that my car smells funny. So today I want to clean it thoroughly, spray my DIY citrus non-toxic cleaner, and most importantly, ventilate my car to get rid of this funny food smell. I have shared the recipe of the citrus spray that I'll be using in another video. If you're interested, I'll link it up here somewhere in the cards and also in the description box below. I can use this spray while having kids around and not worry of them inhaling, as it has oranges and lemon, and trust me, it smells great.
I've been dreaming about you every day. No, I can't find you. I've been looking everywhere.
Now it seems that kids are getting a little bored and tired, so I'm just trying to keep up the excitement by giving them these sticks from the tree.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out.
This wire thing that is hanging is actually my GPRS, and I need to fix this and stick it back at some later point.
I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
My car is so dusty that I'm thoroughly vacuuming every corner, even the door, dashboard, steering, everything.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you.
So the time has come when kids are finally tired, they're out of the mood and they want food. But guess what? They want to stay in the car and eat. Man, I just cleaned up all the mess and thought to myself, no more eating in the car. And few moments later, I'm giving them food. Mommy life. I can't believe I'm doing this while actually cleaning the mess in the car.
I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all the way, and I keep on searching for my home.
Now I can see signs of tiredness, and before my kids start crying, especially my younger one, I'll quickly wipe as much as I can. Trust me guys, I'm being super quick here as I know I literally have 10 minutes.
Oh, I wonder if there's a place where the sun won't go away.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm so happy that I finally did clean my car. I've been thinking since so long, but it's like, sometimes we think a lot, but if we just stand up and start doing it, then things, especially cleaning, we get through it. Thinking about cleaning is the biggest procrastination that we do. So today I just thought, let's do it. I didn't think much and just started doing it, and here I am. My car is clean, though I didn't clean it as per my expectation. I wanted to clean the mats, the glass, the windows, the outside. There's a lot to be done, but at least inside it's smelling great. Because of that citrus smell, I ventilated it and it's fresh.
I'm telling you, I'm here to stay. But looking at your castle, I'm pretty sure you're safe, but still afraid.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I love to have you on board. I do cleaning, organization, parenting style and mommy vlogs on my channel. So if you like such content, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in another video, and bye for now.
I'm walking in your garden, knowing what you're dreaming